Visual Paradigm can analyze the backlog items in your Jira project and automatically generate UML diagrams for them. In this example, our Jira project already has timeline and several backlog items defined, but no technical diagrams yet. Let's generate them using AI. In your Visual Paradigm online workspace, press Create with AI, then choose Browse AI Apps. Search for the Agilien AI-powered Jira Backlog Planner and click Start Now. This is the Agilien interface. At the top right, select Import from Jira. A pop-up will appear asking you to authenticate with Jira. Approve the authentication request. Once connected, you'll see a list of Jira spaces. Choose the space you want to import, then click Start Import. When the import completes, close the dialog. Your entire backlog now appears on the bottom left panel. Select any item to view its details in the center area. Choose the backlog item you want to generate UML diagrams for. Then pick a diagram type and click Generate Diagram. The diagram will be created automatically. If you're satisfied with the result, click Attach to User Story to link it back to the Jira item. Repeat the process to generate and attach additional diagrams, including diagrams for subtasks. When you're done, click Sync with Jira to push everything back to your Jira project. Select the Jira space and press Start Sync. Now switch back to Jira and refresh the page. Your generated diagrams are now attached to the corresponding backlog items.